Let's be honest, video content is everywhere these days. Whether it's on social media, websites, podcasts, live streams, or webinars, video has become a part of almost every customer journey, both for businesses and consumers. And the numbers back it up. A global survey of over 1,700 marketers found that short-form video brings in the highest return on investment of any type of content. It's so effective that most of them are planning to invest even more in video this year. But what makes short-form video so powerful? It's simple. It matches how we like to consume content now. We want it fast, visually engaging, and easy to take in. In fact, Hootsuite reports that 73% of people actually prefer short videos when they're looking for a product or service. And it's not just about catching attention. Video content has a real impact on buying decisions. One survey showed that over half of people are more likely to buy something if they can watch a video about it fast. Plus, 36% of shoppers say they trust brands more when they use video to show off or explain their product. And when scrolling through social media, nearly 60% say video influences what they buy, way more than static images. And let's not forget about YouTube. It's still a major player, especially when it comes to tech products. A massive 72% of people turn to YouTube before buying any kind of technology. All this just shows how vital video has become across the entire consumer journey. But here's the thing, it shouldn't stop online. Consumers should still see great video content when they walk into your store. That's how you keep them engaged right up to the moment they make a purchase. Retail tech is evolving fast, and video is right at the heart of it. We're talking about kiosks, digital walls, smart screens, even virtual fitting rooms. And digital signage? It's not just effective, it's game-changing. Dynamic video displays draws nearly 4 times more the views than static ones. They don't just grab attention, they help people remember what they've seen. Inside your store, digital signage can do it all. Promote offers, get people interested, personalize the experience, recommend products, and nudge those last-minute buys. By adding short-form video into your signage, you're telling your brand's story in a way that really resonates and drives results. Not too long ago, videos in stores felt like a bonus, but now it's a must. It influences how people shop and what they buy. So if you're using video across every customer touchpoint, from first glance to checkout, you're not just keeping up, you're getting ahead. At Yodeck, we know the power of video. That's why we've built an intelligent digital signage platform that makes creating, scheduling, and managing video content super simple. Ready to bring your in-store experience to life? Visit yodeck.com and see how intelligent digital signage can help you boost sales and create unforgettable customer journeys.